Welcome to Happily Homemade with Love.
Mirchi pakodas or bajji is all-time favorite snack for everyone. You heard that crunch, right? So today I'll be harvesting fresh banana peppers from our garden and we'll be making an easy and very tasty and crispy pakodas or bajji. Wash the peppers, cut them and de-seed them. Once you're done preparing the peppers, it's time to make the batter. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of ajwain seeds. Into this add 3/4 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of hing or Asafoetida, and chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix them all well. Let's make the batter by adding little water at a time. Mix it really well so that there are no lumps. In order to make the outer shell of the pakoras crispy, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of hot oil into this batter. Now give it a good mix. You can see the consistency of this batter. It shouldn't be too watery or too thick. Now we will keep this aside for 5 minutes to rest. Meanwhile, we will start heating the oil. Oil has reached the right temperature. It's time to dip the peppers into the batter and start frying them. Please do take care while dropping the peppers into the hot oil. Drop them carefully. Fry all the pakoras on medium heat. Fry on both the sides till it is golden brown and the outer shell has become crunchy. Isn't that so easy? Tasty pakoras are ready to be served. Do give it a try. Thanks for watching.
Eat healthy and stay healthy.